Don't do this.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the don'ts for your hair. Step 1. Don't use hot water to wash your hair. Do not use any type of heat on your hair. Do not try to avoid hair straightening, hair curler, hair dryers. Make sure do not wash your hair with hot water. Step 2. Avoid using shampoo that has sodium lauryl sulfate. So go through the ingredients of your shampoo before you purchase them. That's very, very important. Now we go to step 3. Do not brush your hair when your hair is still wet. Okay, when you brush your hair, when your hair is wet, when you brush your hair, you actually have more hair falls because you are actually pulling your hair when it's still wet, and also you can actually have a breakage on your strands. So avoid and do not brush your hair when it's wet. Step 4. When your hair is still wet, when you tie your hair, you are actually pulling all your hairs like this, right? So when you actually pull your hair, you are actually giving pressure to your roots. So when you give pressure to your roots, you will have hair fall. We do not want to have a hair fall. So do not tie your hair when your hair is still wet. Leave it to dry naturally. Do not use hair dryer to dry your hair. Just leave it naturally to dry your hair. So these are the don'ts for your hair care routine. So see you in my next video.